Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your captions style and size for your Android or Samsung phone. So if you're using captions on your phone, you can easily change the size and the style of the fonts while a caption is appearing. So go to your settings and you want to scroll down and find accessibility. You want to tap on that, then click on hearing enhancements. Right now click on the live captions, and if you scroll down, you will find the feature that says caption preferences. And below you see it says set caption size and style. So you can click on that. You can turn on show captions, but you also have the option that says caption size and style. You can click on that. Now here it shows you a preview of what it looks like. So you have the normal size. You can change that to make it large, and you can see the font become larger, or you can make it small, or you can make it very small, but that doesn't help you because it's very small. So you can make it either normal, or you can make it large, or if you want it very large, you'll have it just like that so that you can see everything. But I think the sweet spot is either going to be normal or large so that you can have it the way you want, right? So that's really up to you. Now you can go ahead and you can change the color as well, which is the style. So you can choose if you want it yellow and black, or you want it just the black and white, and you can go ahead and you can make additional changes here based on what you change, right? So this is how you can go ahead and make some custom changes here to those font as you wish. So based on whichever style you choose, you will have the option to make additional changes to it. So as you can see, I choose the yellow there, and I can make few more adjustments to whatever I want. Now if you want to do something much different, or let's say you want to customize it, simply click on the caption style and you want to choose custom. Now once you click on custom, you can go down and you can change the font family, the color, the text, the opacity, every single thing here you can easily go ahead and change. So let's say I don't like this font, I can click on font family and I can look for something that I like. So I can choose, for example, cursive, and then you see that the caption actually changes as well. I can choose casual and it looks just like that. So it's really up to you guys. You can easily go ahead and customize it to the way you want, however you want, right? And whenever you want. Very easy and very simple. So that's how you easily go ahead and change the caption size and style for your captions on your phone, guys.